Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. All the time, while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have Elga note, rule pencil, pen along with you. I will give you 3 seconds time. You have to get ready. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, today we have to cover Unit 1 and Day 8. Shall we move to our today's class? Yes, let us see the phonics session. From this today's class in our phonics, you are going to read one story, okay? From your SR book, SR 8. I will show the story, okay? Yes. See, my dear children, this is SR 8. Here having one story. We read the vowel digraph I sound, right? Yes, do you remember that? Here having some related words. I will read the first story and also you have to read the second story, okay? Using that vowel digraph words, right? It was the month of July. It was the month of July. The land had tried. The land had tried. Everyone looked at the sky. Everyone looked at the sky and cried. There was no rain. The land had no water. Everyone asked why. But then it rained and everyone was happy. Let us read the story again. It was the month of July. The land had tried. Everyone looked at the sky and cried. There was no rain. The land had no water. Everyone asked why. But then it rained and everyone was happy, right? Here having some related vowel digraph I, right? I will read that. July, tried, sky, cried, why, right? Yes, my dear children. Let us move to the second story. I will read that. After that, you are read that orally, okay? Left, right. The soldiers marched through the night. Even if their boots are tight. They march with all their might, saying left, right. Just you have to identify to read these words, okay? First one, I'll give that clues. Just you have to identify this. I will send this WhatsApp, okay? Yes, my dear children. Let us move to the whole words section. We learned 5 new whole words, right? Today we are going to spell that words, okay? Now you will take your notebook, whole words section page. Start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. See the word, my dear children. What is this word? Yes, real. R-E-A-L. Real. R-E-A-L. Real. You have to write 5 times in your notebook. Next, believes. B-E-L-I-E-V-E-S. Believes. B-E-L-I-E-V-E-S. Believes. Truth. T-R-U-T-H. Truth. Once again, you also read along with me, my dear children. Truth. T-R-U-T-H. Truth. Carefully. C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. carefully. 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 Thought. 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 Once again, real, beliefs, truth, carefully, thought. So, these 5 words you have to write five times. Okay, spell and write, my dear children. Do you understand? Once again, real, beliefs, truth, carefully and thought. How many times you have to write and send? 5 times. Yes, my dear children. Next, let us move to the reading and listening comprehension session. From this session, yesterday we read one story. Do you remember that? What's the story name? Yes, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Today, you are going to read the story independently. Okay, first of all, I will read the story. Okay, you have to listen. You have to find the difficult of words. Okay. SR9. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Yesterday you read the story? Yes. Wolf. Adapted from Aesop Fables. Illustrator Dhanasri Salvi. See the first page. You also read along with me or listen carefully. Okay. Once there was a shepherd boy who was bored. He sat on a hill watching the village sheep. He thought of playing a prank on everyone. See the next page. He shouted, "Wolf, wolf, the wolf is chasing the sheep." The villagers came running up the hill. But when they reached the hill, no wolf was there. The boy laughed. He had made a fool of them. The villagers went back in anger. Next day, he shouted again, "Wolf, wolf, wolf." The villagers came running again to help him. When they saw no wolf again, they got furious. A woman said, "We won't come when the wolf comes." But the boy just grinned at them. See the next page. One day a real wolf came and howled at the sheep. See that. The shepherd boy started shouting, "Wolf, wolf, wolf." But the villagers did not come this time. In the evening, everyone started looking for the boy. They found him crying. "There really was a wolf here. He killed myself," a man said. "No one believes a liar even when he is telling the truth." Right? Yes. Did you read along with me, my dear children? Great, Kutima. See the vocabulary words from this story. This is a difficult meaning of a word. Shepherd. Shepherd means a person who keeps sheep. Right? See that. Just you have to see the picture and identify the meaning of the word. Okay? Prank. To trick someone. Chasing. To run after someone. Grinned. To have a big smile on your face. Howled. The sound made by a wolf. Furious. To be very angry. Right? Yes, great, my dear children. So, did you listen the story, my dear children? Shall I ask some questions from the story? Who was the character in the story? Yes, the shepherd boy is the character in the story, right? What a problem did he face one day? Yes, one day a real wolf came to chase his sheep. What did he do to solve the problem? How? Yes, he shouted, "Wolf, wolf, wolf." Was the problem solved? No, the problem was not solved. The wolf took his sheep. Why? Or why not? The problem was not solved because the villagers thought he was a liar. So hereafter, my dear children, you don't say lie, okay? What you have to do? You don't say lie, right? Yes. So my dear children, let us do one worksheet from this related story. Yes, from your worksheet number 9, question number 2 and also worksheet number 10 having some this story related questions. Let us see that now. My dear children, I will send you that story in our Elga 8 group, okay? I will read the story. You have to find out the story, find the answers from that story. After that, you have to write the answers from your notebook, okay? Write the question and answer. Read the story on SR9 and answer the following questions. I will say the answers orally, okay? Who is the character in the story? Do you know that? Who is the character in the story? Yes. Who is the character in the story? Yes. What is that? Shepherd. What is that? The character in the story is a shepherd boy. Where was he sitting? Where was he sitting? Yes, he was sitting on the top of a hill, right? Yes. Next, what prank did he play on a villagers? See question. Yes, he used to shout, "Wolf, wolf," when there was no wolf, right? Yes. What happened when the real wolf come? What happened? Yes, when the real wolf came, he shouted, "Wolf, wolf." But no villagers came to help him, right? Yes. See that next question. What do you think is the meaning of the word bored? Great, Kutima. To have no work. This is the meaning of the word this. To have no work. Which word means the same as grinned? Laughed. What is the meaning of the word? Laugh. Next, read the sentence and write what will happen next. See that? See the lines. After that, you have to fill the answer here. Jatin wanted to buy some chocolates from the store, but he forgot his money at home. What will happen next? Just you have to think about and write here answers, okay? Yes, just you have to put your question name G, write the answers in your notebook. From this two also. A, B, C, D, E, F, G questions. Okay, my dear children, I will send the questions in our group, okay? Do you understand from the story? Yes. While you are reading the story, just you have to asking some questions about yourself, story elements, right? Who are the characters? Where is the story taking place? Right? What was the problem? How was the solved? What a solution this like, okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the grammar session. In our yesterday's class, we learnt about pronouns. Do you remember that? Yes, my dear children. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is written in a place of a noun, right? Yes. See this, my dear children. See the word she, he, it, you. These are all the pronouns. What are this? These are all the pronouns, right? It is used to place of a noun. It is used to place of a noun. Okay, what are that? He, she, it and you. Now, I will show you some pictures. You will tell me which pronoun can we use in place of that noun. Right? Listen carefully, my dear cuties. What is this? Yes, she. What is this? She. Next one. Can you find the answer? Yes, he. See this. You. See that? It. What is this? It. See that, my dear children? See the pronouns. This blue colors are that pronouns. Can you see this animal? It is a monkey. This is my dog Bruno. He plays with me every day. He and it are the pronouns. So do you understand, my dear children? Pronouns? Yes. So what are the pronouns, my dear children? She, he, it and you. Right? We mostly use the pronoun it. If the animal is a pet, we can use the pronouns he or she, like that. Right? Yes. Do you understand, my dear children? Yes. What is the pronoun? Pronoun means your pronoun is written in a place of a noun. Right? For the example, Raju means we have to write he. Next, Sadhana means we have to write she. Right? Yes. Do you understand? Great, my dear children. Where we have to use a pronoun is written in a place of a noun. Let us do some worksheet activity from this related pronouns. See this, my dear children. This is worksheet number 11, pronouns. Circle the noun and fill in the blanks with a pronoun. Right? First, I will read the question. You also read along with me or listen to me carefully. Okay? Shall I read now? Are you ready, my dear children? Yes. Pronouns related worksheet here. This is Cherry. Dash is holding a flower. Here, where is the noun? Where is the noun, my dear children? Yes, Cherry is a noun. So, we have to fill in the blanks with a pronoun from this word. Where is the noun? Cherry is a noun, right? So, we have to circle the noun first. So, Cherry, what here come pronoun? Which word here come for the pronoun word? Do you know that? Yes, she. Which word here come? She. Which word here come? She. She. Let us see the next questions. I will read the question. You have to find out the noun. After that, you have to circle that noun. Then you have to fill in the blanks with correct pronoun for that noun. Okay? Yes. This is Mogit. Dash likes to play football. Right? You have to find out the noun. Then write the pronoun here. Okay? Next. This is my favorite book. Dash has many pictures. Okay? So you have to find the answer. Next. Dash and I will meet later. Dash and I will meet later. Here you have to find the answer and write it here. Okay, my dear children. This one I will also send WhatsApp. Find the answer and write it. Okay. Write the worksheet number 11, question number 1. Write the question and answer. Okay. No need to draw this. Okay. Yes, Kutima. Do you understand? Pronouns mean what? Yeah, pronoun is written in a place of a noun. First of all, we have to identify the noun. After that, we have to write the pronoun. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the writing and speaking expression skill. I will recap the story elements. What are the story elements? That means settings, talking characters, a problem, resolving a problem, solution. This like we have to write a story elements, right? Do you know that already, right? While you are reading a story and writing a story, you have to think about this. After that, you are going to start a write story, okay? Yes. See, my dear children, in the last class, you thought about an imaginary character and a place, right? Did you think, my dear children? Did you think about the imaginary character and a place? Today, you are going to think about a problem that your character will face, okay? This like you have to write some problem in your notebook, okay? Once again, I will say in our yesterday's class and today you are going to what to do, okay? Just you have to think about a imaginary character and place, okay? After that, what problem does character have, okay? What are the story elements? First, we have to draw and write where is the story was taking place. Then, draw and write who are the characters in the story for your imaginary story, okay? Next, you have to draw and write the problem faced by the character. Then, think about what will her character to do solve the problem. And finally, what was the problem? Solution to the problem, okay? What was the solution to the problem? This like you have to think and draw, okay? Think and draw and write also, okay? Write some sentences, okay, my dear children? So you will take your notebook again. Did you complete or not? Now from today's class you are going to complete your writing and speaking expression skill. You have to think about the imaginary character and settings, problem, what was the problem solved, then solution. First you will draw that. After you have to write some sentences about that character, okay? Do you understand, my dear children? Writing and speaking expression skill page. What you have to do? You have to think about yourself, imaginary characters and settings. Write down the answers, okay? Then take a next page. Draw and write some sentences about that. Use the story elements, okay? Great, my dear children. Let us recap today's class. Yes, in our phonics session, we read one story. Use the vowel digraphs. Next story, you have to read that, okay? If there is a vowel diagram means you have to give a stress to read that word, okay? Then whole word section, you have to write 5 whole words 5 times in your notebook. Then reading and listening comprehension session, read the story and find the question and answer. Write your notebook. Grammar session, we have to saw the pronouns, right? Related worksheets also we did. I'll send that. You have to write and send to our Elga 8 group. Writing and speaking expression, this is yours. Think and draw the story elements. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Again, one more homework. You have to use the word prank and chasing. Write one sentences. You have to use these words. Okay. Next, my dear children, this is worksheet number 11, question 2 and 3. You will read your SR book, SR 8. I will send that. You have to read the story and find the answers right here and send to me WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Happy learning, my dear children.